Welcome to the channel, Hayward here. I owe you a video. After my last video about the Neewer Z2 flash, I told you the next video was going to be a teaching video about using this flash along with this flash, the Z160. This video is not that for a couple of reasons. One, I'm personally in the process of moving, just finishing up, and if you've ever moved before, you know it always takes a little bit longer than you expect. The second reason is that Neewer made me aware of a larger flash, almost studio size, battery powered, that they were interested in having me take a look at. I thought to myself, well, I could do the video with these two. However, with a 3-flash kit, and or a 3-light kit, you can do top-notch portrait work almost anywhere. So before I get into the mechanics of teaching about lighting ratios and all that stuff, which you can do with these two flashes, absolutely, but I could show more with the 3-flash kit and a larger flash that would allow you to do really big work as well. I haven't seen the flash yet. So I don't know yet how I'm going to break this up. I'm probably going to have to talk about the functions of the flash first to get a feel for it and to share it with you, of course. And then maybe a follow-on video or partly in that video, I don't know. I've had some requests and comments for discussions of lighting ratios. What I would like you to do in this video is drop comments if you have any requests of things about flash photography you'd like me to talk about, and I'll see if I can work it into the next video or two. It's coming. I'm still here. I didn't fall asleep. So you'll be hearing from me soon. I'm waiting for the next flash to come in. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your patience. Until the next video, cheers.